tatlong salita. High risk result. Akala ko normal na check-up lang, pero nagbago lahat. Pasok.
Good morning po, Doc.
Mr. Garcia,
Good morning, Mr. Daniel, Mrs. Sharon. Good morning, Doc. Sabi dito sa test results nyo po, your NIPT shows a high risk for Down syndrome. We recommend an invasive test, CVS or amniocentesis to confirm.
Pero may risk, di ba?
yes, there's a small miscarriage risk. 0.1 to 1%.
So we could lose the baby just to find out if there's a problem?
Yes, Mr. Daniel. But some parents prefer to know so that they can prepare.
Pero, paano kung mas lalo akong matakot?
Risk, pero minsan, mas mahirap ang hindi pag-alam.
So before we proceed, let's talk about informed consent. Understanding the benefits and limitations of prenatal tests is crucial. Informed consent would ensure that patients understand the purpose, risks, and implications of medical procedures before proceeding. In the Philippines, informed consent is required before any medical procedure. Based on Republic Act number 349, patients must be fully aware of risks before making a decision. So NIPT is a non-invasive test, meaning there's no direct risk to the baby. So it analyzes fetal DNA from the mother's blood to assess the likelihood of conditions such as Down syndrome, trisomy 18, and trisomy 13. NIPT detects chromosomal abnormalities but does not confirm them. Diagnostic tests are needed.
Yes, ma'am, sir, that's right. It's also important to know that NIPT is not 100% accurate. While false positives and false negatives are rare, they do still happen.
Kung may chance tayong malaman, dapat ba nating alamin? O mas mabuti pang hindi na lang?
Hindi ko alam kung kaya ko, Daniel.
Pero paano kung mas mahirap pag hindi natin alam?
There are two main invasive tests we use to confirm results. Number one is chorionic villus sampling or CVS, and number two, which is amniocentesis. Both have a small risk of miscarriage. CVS is done usually earlier, between 10 to 13 weeks, while amniocentesis is usually between 15 to 20 weeks. Some parents find peace in knowing, others don't. Anong mas makakatulong sa inyo?
Testing can be emotionally overwhelming. Some parents feel reassured, but others struggle with the anxiety of knowing.
Hindi lang to tungkol sa amin, kundi sa kanya.
At kung mas malaman namin, baka mas makatulong kami sa kanya.
You don't need to decide now, but when you do, let it come from a place of strength, not fear. Never fear.
Future, napakabigat ng salitang yun. Pero dapat ba tayong matakot?
Your test results are confidential. Under the Data Privacy Act of 2012, your personal health information cannot be shared without your consent. Republic Act number 10173, ensuring confidentiality of personal medical data.
Some parents worry about discrimination. The Magna Carta for Persons with Disabilities protects individuals with disabilities, including those with genetic conditions from discrimination. So, ma'am, sir, there's nothing to worry about. Philippine law prohibits discrimination against individuals with genetic disorders.
Daniel, paano kung hindi ko to magawa?
Hindi ko rin alam. Pero hindi tayo nag-iisa.
Ang pagiging magulang ay pagpili kahit mahirap.
Ayokong pagsisihan ang desisyon ko.
Then trust yourself. Whatever you decide is the right choice for a family.
Minsan hindi natin alam ano ang tamang sagot. Pero siguro ang pagiging magulang ay ang pagharap sa mga tanong na walang simpleng sagot.
Daniel, alam ko na kung anong gusto ko.
Kahit ano man ang magiging resulta, lagi mong tatandaan, anak ka pa rin namin.
Anak, nandito na kami!
Ma?
Ang pagiging magulang ang pagiging magulang